Good morning, children. Today we discuss about the lesson Resource and Development. The topic is land degradation. What is land degradation? The process by which the quality of the soil is destroyed or spoilt is called land degradation. Some human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, mining and quarrying, over irrigation, mineral processing, and industrial effluents have contributed significantly in land degradation. Mining. Mining sites are abandoned after excavation work is complete, leaving deep scars and traces of overburdening. In states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Orissa, deforestation due to mining have caused severe land degradation. Overgrazing. In states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra, overgrazing is one of the main reasons for land degradation. Over irrigation. In the states of Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, over irrigation is responsible for land degradation. It is due to waterlogging leading to increasing in salinity and alkalinity in the soil. Mineral processing. The mineral processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry and calcite, grinding of soapstone for ceramic industry generate huge quantity of dust in the atmosphere. Dust retards the process of infiltration of water into the soil after it settles down on the land. Industrial effluents. An industrial effluent is a major source of land and water pollution in many parts of the country. The remedial measures to solve the problem of land degradation are: there are many ways to solve the problems of land degradation. Afforestation and proper management of grazing, planting of shelter belts of plants, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes, proper management of wastelands, controlling of mining activities, proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste after treatment are some of the measures that reduces land degradation. Soil erosion. The removal of soil from one place to another by some natural agents is called soil erosion. Different types of soil erosion are as follows. Sheet erosion. When top layer of the soil is removed over a large area by running water, it is called sheet erosion. Rill erosion. If erosion continues unchecked for a sufficient time, small finger-shaped grooves of few centimeters depth may develop on the landscape. This is called rill erosion. Gully erosion. The rills may deepen and become enlarged and are ultimately turned into gullies. The main cause of gully erosion is the removal of vegetation. Gullies cut up agricultural land and the entire area and may be turned into bad land. Gully erosion is responsible for the formation of ravines. Example: Chambal ravines. Wind is also a powerful agent of erosion in arid and semi-arid regions. Human activities are also responsible for soil erosion. Remedial measures to solve the problem of soil erosion. Contour plowing. Plowing along the contour lines can decelerate the flow of water down the slopes. This is called as contour plowing. Terrace cultivation. Steps can be cut out on the slopes making terraces. Terrace cultivation restricts erosion. Western and central Himalayas have developed terrace farming. Strip cultivation. Large fields can be divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. This breaks up the force of the wind. This method is also known as strip cropping. Shelter belts. Planting lines of trees to create shelter breaks up the force of the wind. Rows of such trees are called shelter belts. These shelter belts have contributed significantly to the stabilization of sand dunes and in stabilizing the desert in western India. Growing of thorny bushes. Stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes also could stop soil erosion in India.